Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna
ब्रिस्बेन के पास रहते 2 घंटा ब्रिस्बेन से मिला आपको मिला दो।
अब नया लड़का है
जी नहीं अलग
बंगाली
बंगाल से बंगला से
बांग्लादेश।
क्या करता है
वो अभी पढ़ता है आईटी में पढ़ता है
कहाँ
टूम्बा में 2 घंटा ब्रिस्बेन से।
Gurudev, I'd like to change my clothes.
है
I want to put on saffron.
very good idea but first you should try to give up all your worldly attachment, then not going to here there. Have you family life?
No.
No wife, no children?
I have son, but he's 16. He lives with the mother.
So you can take and try to be with them in preaching with me in Math Ashram. No need of. Have you any house?
No.
Very good. So you can be in any temple over here, America, India, everywhere. Good idea. But you will have to be with them or with me time to time for in preaching and hearing Harikatha.
Gurudev, why did he come?
Govind Prabhu has come. Very naughty.
He wants
He wants to take all trees and creepers. Oh Prabhu Govinda.
Oh, Govinda.
He is not now crying.
No,
Yes.
no, he's
If you
okay.
keep here, there,
If he doesn't come, he'll cry.
He will wake up all the neighbors.
but don't be attached so much. Now you have crossed about 50.
Just there.
Yes.
Just
Now I
touching.
will give you saffron cloth.
So soon.
Yeah. Why? Not so soon. You are
He's going on
With
tour
them?
now. He's going on tour now. Whole world tour.
That's still here.
whole food.
World tour. Complete tour.
Better he should be with you, with me, not only alone world tour.
He's coming with me
No.
for whole world tour.
You should come with him or me or with and preach now. You know so many tattva now. Ask your wife whether she will allow you to be in saffron cloth or not.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll ask her.
And also to Govinda Prabhu.
Govinda.
She has been doing tapasya for this.
She will take the house though, Gurudev, and all the money and bank account like that other person.
But she won't take Govinda.
It will be very expensive to fly around.
I want to collect some brahmacharis and banprasthi for maintaining mutts and preaching. What Swamiji did miracle, I want to repeat. Like him. His sannyasi fall down anyhow. But I want that my sannyasi, none of them should follow. And they should be loyal to Gurudev, Guru Parampara, not of different opinions. All. And I want that as all have affection and attachment to me, all should attachment to them also. My sannyasi, ideal sannyasi in every respect. Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
He wants to join
Of course.
He's
From
famous.
where? From Australia?
Sydney. Yeah.
Sydney.
Sydney.
Right.
And Prabhupada's
Right.
Vyasa Puja. I was at the Prabhupada's Vyasa Puja this year. It was held in Gokul Mahavan. And all Gaudiyas, they came there to glorify Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur for 2 days. So one sannyasi, he was saying that when Prabhupada, he gave Upadhi to the disciples, it was related to the Daivi Varnashram Dharma. He said that like Bhakti Saranga Goswami Maharaj, so Prabhupada gave title Arya Shrestha. So here Arya Shrestha is related to the Vaishya.
No.
And he said,
No, no.
said,
No Arya.
No, Arya Shrestha to him even
He gave to who made temple.
in Jogpit.
Bhakti Vilas Maharaj.
No. In
Yes.
Radha Damodar Mandir his Samadhi.
Oh.
Sukhi Charan Rai.
Sakhi Chandra.
Arya
And he
Shrestha.
did not give any money to
Prabhupada
Prabhupada.
directly.
He built temple. So he gave him
Shrestha Arya.
Sestarji.
Shrestha, yeah.
Not to
And
Saranga.
he-
Not to Saranga Goswami Maharaj, never.
And he said he gave a title to Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj, anyone, Maha Upadeshak, related to Brahmin.
No,
And to
no, Upadesak, not Brahmin.
And to Param Gurudev, he said,
If I was there,
Hmm.
I would have cut up here all wings.
I became angry. He said to Param Gurudev, Kriti Ratna, this word Kriti referred to Katriya. He
I
told.
would have cutted his all arguments. Did you tell something?
I told to our devotees, but
Not to him?
not in the public assembly to everyone.
According, Kriti Ratna means
Because
Kriti.
all are sannyasis, why give the
Bhakti
Varnashram?
Rupi Kriti.
Mhm.
Yeah. And that is Ratna.
GL, crown GL and all.
Perhaps he was not in good association. That is why.
Shubhadev, I've also heard that during the time of Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he had a system of Siksha gurus. It's called Upadeshak, Maha Upadeshak,
No,
and
no.
Maha
Those who were
Mahopadeshak.
preaching for them.
Mhm.
Those who preaching
Mhm.
for them he kept Upadesh.
Upadeshak.
Upadesak, Mahapadeshak, Mahamopadhyay.
Like this. There was a training and discourses and Jaiva Dharma, Hari Bhakti Vilas, Ujjalin Mani, so many books that used to keep standard by standard, and those who used to pass, and then they
Give the title.
Upadesak that he may preach.
Acha.
Mahamopadesak more than that,
Yes.
like this. That was.
So they would study
We have
and do
heard
test.
from our Gurudev, was always served Prabhupada. Very near, more than anyone. And Prabhupada loved him so much. So we know so many things that other does not. And they don't go in deeply in anything as we go. Bharati Maharaj, you know,
Yes.
this Maharaj, they cannot tell like this.
Mm-hmm.
Bharatan se Madhav
Never.
Mas Bharati Maharaj will not tell
Yes.
like this.
They are Siddhantvi.
Who has that sannyasi you told?
You know Gurudev. Bhakti Vaidurya Bhagavat Maharaj. From Costa Rica, who went there.
That's
Who
not
preached against
Bhagavat
one.
He thinks that he is a historian scholar
Yeah.
on Gaudiya history of Gaudiya
But his
Math.
Gurudev rejected him.
Yes.
This balance alone. In last part of Ramananda Sangvad, Mahaprabhu asked to
If he will not take his robe, will he follow you?
Oh yeah, he'll follow us. It's just
Huh?
that he'll get.
If he will give up his robe, that robe,
Yes,
will he follow you or not?
he will follow me, but he'll get in amongst all the devotees.
He will
भीतर
jump.
ढुक जाएगा.
आगे बढ़ के भक्तों में घुस आएगा.
Give up.
Give up the.
क्या?
In last part of Ramananda Sangvad, Mahaprabhu asked question, then what is the best kirti? Then he told Krishna Bhakti Bolia Jara Khati, who is famous by Krishna Bhakti. From kirti to kriti has come. So among devotee of Prabhupada who became crown jewel, then Prabhupada gave Param Gurudev Kriti Ratna, this title.
Glorious.
Yeah.
Guruji, last night you said that when you would ask questions to your Gurudev, that he would answer you, but to Srila Chirakumaraj he would not answer.
No, he
Huh?
will to answer, but
Sometime
if
not.
he, you to tell that I want to read Vedanta, so please teach us, or you can go and read.
Does Guru have extra affection for some disciples?
It may be according to his loyalty, certain, why not?
Not Guru is same to everyone.
No. Krishna is not, he is not really Samdarshi. Because those who are given fully heart, Bhakta Paradhina, but all, he is not Paradhin to all. He has not given everything like Radhika, he cannot love to all. So how he can be? So Guru also, according to loyalty and standard, he will give.
Because Krishna is reciprocating, so then he's actually equal to everyone. He has no Vishama dosh.
Visham dosh, but it has been told also that he is paradhin, why not to others?
Because they are not paradin to him. So he is not Yayatamam prapadyante thanks to Taiva Vayamya.
Gurudev also.
One time I heard you say, the main duty of the Guru is to see all disciples equally.
Yes, equal. But also automatically it will come. Those who have given more,
Some are more equal than others.
more. Son is equal to all. But those who will be in house,
Like owl.
how he can be? Though who will be always in sun, or he will give light. So sun is equal.
One time, I went to buy some tiffin for Srila Trivakra Maharaj. And maybe 10 times he said, no good, you go again, you go again. Then
What?
I went,
Tiffin carrier.
Then one time he told me, Param Gurudev told him to buy some shoes. So he went 15 times to the shop, but Param Gurudev always said, this is wrong, this is wrong. He said, but you bought the first pair? He said, oh, this is good.
He used to tell.
Yes.
বলছে আমি বন্ধবাড়ি পছন্দ আমি একবার গেছি তাই পছন্দ
So I asked, why did your Gurudev do that? And Srila Trivakra said, oh, no, you can never ask why.
Because Maharaj used to weep and tell that you gave life, we could not give life. You know? and he used to tell my living. That is why Gurudev liked you so much.
একবার যখন গুরু মহারাজ এসছেন
Disciple Ananga, you perhaps know.
Nanga Mohan Brahmachari.
Tuberculosis, blood coming, and he was serving to that boy. Even a disciple he was serving. I told that I will serve. But no one was ready to go. Only one Babaji,
ত্রিগুণাতীত বাবাজি মহারাজ
and I did. And I got tuberculosis. And then my treatment he did. So they become Maharaj used to.
উনি বলতেন বলে ওর সেবা করে ভগবান গুরুদেবকে জিতে নিলেন উনি, স্যার।
Not only to me, to all. To see.
এবার গুরু মহারাজ মথুরায়
And Vikram Maharaj was my bosom friend, even by Bon Maharaj, more than that. He used to quarrel. He used to be with us, cutting each other arguments, but with Bon Maharaj not. But to Vikram Maharaj, classes event.
সমুদ্রগড়
Sometimes you said he would walk out of your class and afterwards he would come back and sit again.
Sometimes I was glorifying Radhika and he will take my mic.
I remember one time in Navadvip, all you, Srila Bhavan Maharaj and Srila Trivik Maharaj were sitting together in the beginning of Parakram.
Where?
In
Navadvip
Navadvip.
Parikrama.
First day, then Trivik Maharaj, Srila Trivik Maharaj took the mic and he said, I have one question. If Radharani is so good, why Krishna leaves her and goes to Chandravali?
Perhaps he's insecure as Gurudev because he likes cow grazing.
Once, some disciples of Prabhupada were speaking something about Prabhupada. And then I spoke something. They told me, "Oh, you are so junior. Have you seen Prabhupada?" I told you, yes, I have seen. Never. There are two kinds of darshan, by ear and by eyes. Eyes seeing will cheat, but this will not cheat. If you have heard about anyone by qualified person, speaker, then this is more high class. You have seen by your eyes, but I have heard from my Gurudev about Prabhupada, so I know better than you. And they went to Gurudev and complained that he is so junior and he's telling like so. Oh, he has told you.
Then Gurudev argue with Prabhupada's disciple.
Yeah. How many years you were in the mutt at that time? How much junior you were? to
Oh,
him?
only 2 years, 3 years. But all used to fear me. Once Parvat Maharaj, disciples of Srila Prabhupada, very good speaker. He was Uriya, preaching here and there. And he came to see our Gurudev. I have come 6 months. So he came and midday he was going to take rest and I was there. Then he asked some questions. I answered and then I asked about Jiva Tattva. What is Tatastha Shakti? And then he began to
Reply.
reply. But I was not satisfied. Argument, this, that, how it can be. He could not satisfy. And they went to Gurudev and told, oh, very intelligent, you I could not satisfy him.
And he told only your Gurudev will satisfy you. None can
So
do that.
your Gurudev well is satisfying, no one can. So from beginning I used to accept anything with arguments and everything. I never accepted anything from Gurudev also,
Straight away.
argument. And very easily he used to.